Rijkswaterstaat will remove the wreck of the sunken car carrier Baltic Ace. On December 5, 2012, this ship sank after a collision. By removing the wreck, Rijkswaterstaat will improve the safety for the marine industry, the accessibility of the port of Rotterdam, and the safeguarding of the marine environment. The wreck lies at a depth of about 35 meters, at a distance of about 65 kilometers from the Dutch coast, and in the middle of one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. The 148-meter-long wreck is severely obstructing the passage. On top of that, the content poses a risk to the environment. Aboard the wreck are over 1,400 cars and various types of oil, including about 540,000 litres of heavy fuel oil. The affiliate partners, Boskalis Nederland, Mammoet Salvage, have been commissioned to execute the recovery operations of the wreck under the authority of Rijkswaterstaat. Because of more favourable environmental conditions, the salvage operation will take place between March and October. The operation started in 2014 with the removal of the heavy fuel oil from the bunker tanks and the oil in the engine room. The salver has removed the oil by applying a hot tap, heating the oil inside the tanks so it could easily be pumped out. In the spring of 2015, the salver continues the operation necessary for the removal. The ship is cut into several large sections. There is still oil present in the wreck. During the cutting of the wreck and the lifting of the sections, there is a higher risk of oil leakage. As a precaution, oil spill response vessels will be present near the wreckage. A large floating shear leg lifts the bow and stern sections of the wreck. The salver positions the wreck sections onto barges and tows them to a recycling facility ashore. During the cutting operation, the middle section of the wreck partially collapses. The stronger lower parts of the ship will be lifted up in one piece. These pieces will also be placed onto barges and towed to a recycling facility ashore. A large clamshell grab designed for salvage operations removes the large parts from the collapsed upper part of the wreck. A smaller grab lifts up the remaining parts. Divers check the seabed for small remaining items. These will be removed so that nothing is left behind on the seabed. A Dutch recycling facility separates and processes the different materials in a responsible way. The wreck has to be removed from the North Seabed no later than December 31st, 2015. The marine traffic will then no longer be obstructed, and ships will be able to sail for the port of Rotterdam safely and quickly. Furthermore, the wreck will no longer pose a risk to the environment.